Alrighty, just got this order in the mail I'm very excited about from Quadratec. It's a huge box. Thank you for your order catalog. That'll be fun to look through and circle stuff. And here's what I ordered. I ordered a cover for my Jeep because the garage is full of a bunch of stuff right now and I can't put the Jeep inside. So I need to keep the sun off of my beautiful artwork and the paint job and just protect the poor Jeep. So until we can get the garage situated, I bought this cover to keep it safe from the sun. The rain's not really a problem, it's the brutal Florida sun. So let's see if I can get this out. This thing is enormous. So here's what it comes with. This is the cover, as well as it came with some instructions. That's what it'll look like on the Jeep. It came with a hardware tie downs, nice lock. That's nice they included that. This is for high winds, so I gotta figure out how to tie that down. And it came with a bag that you can store the cover for when you're not using it, so that's really nice that that's included as well. And here is the Jeep with the new cover. I really like this and have been very happy with it. Again, I bought this just to protect it from the sun, not from the rain, so I can't vouch for this being waterproof or anything. It's supposed to repel some water, but I think it might get soaked. But the way you put it on, you put those mirrors on first, and then you do the ends, the front and the back end. I found that out the hard way. And then to remove it, you just do it in the opposite. You remove the back end and the front end, and then you remove the mirrors, and it's really easy to get on and off. You just gotta figure out which is front and which is back. After having the Jeep for just over a year, my wiper blades one of them started to fray, and they've worked great, the ones that came from the factory, but it was definitely time to get some new ones. So I went to the auto parts store and I got this Trico onyx ones, and there's a little more info about them on the back. I'm pretty happy with them. Haven't really used them in the rain yet, just a light shower. But yeah, I'll show what these look like. They're different from the ones I had before. So here are the wipers on the Jeep. They're square. At first I didn't like this, but then I figured they match the shape of the Jeep, so now I do like them. Only use them in light rain and they work pretty good for that, so I'm happy with them. This cool little raptor antenna at the auto shop, and I figured it'd be good because I needed a short antenna to put the cover on my Jeep instead of removing the factory antenna every time. It comes with these little screws, and the right adapter is in there. Okay, so the other antenna finally came in the mail. I had ordered this one. It's a blue one with black carbon fiber center, and it's much shorter than the black one I got at the store locally. But after installing it, I don't like it for two reasons. One, the little screws that it came with down there don't fit on the Jeep, even though on the website, which was an eBay site, said that it did, so wasn't too pleased about that. So I just put the screw from the black one on it, and it worked fine. But then after that, I just don't like the way it looked. I think the black one looks better just because of the shape of it, although I prefer the color blue. So I'll show that and then show the difference, and I think I'll stick with the black one. So here's the blue one. It's not bad. I love the color. Be nice if the whole thing were blue, but it just doesn't look quite as nice as the black one did. Who knows, maybe I'll paint the black one blue. But also I have not tested either one of these for reception, which I don't really use the radio anyways. It would be the AM band I would have to test, but I just use my USB with MP3s on it and just listen to that all the time. I never listen to the radio, so antennas for me are just for looks, and I'm probably going to put the factory one back on once all this is over with and we get the garage situated. So let's put the black one back on and see why I think that looks nicer. Alright, this is the screw adapter that it came with this black one, and that's what the inside looks like for the antenna. I don't know what size this is, but if anyone could tell me, I've looked it up and I haven't been able to find a size, what the size is for Jeep Wrangler JK, mine specifically is the 2016, that would be a good thing to know. So we got the black one back on. And I don't know if my particular antenna has a problem because it was really hard to get it down there. The factory antenna was really difficult to get off. It should be something simple and just come out. But I don't know if there's rust inside. It doesn't look like it, but I don't know. Maybe that's something I'll ask to see if it's still under warranty, if they can fix it, or it's just an annoying thing I have to put up with. So for now, that's the antenna. And the last little accessory that I got for my car that was really awesome is by this eBay store called Graphics and More. It's the cat green eye valve stem caps, but to me they look more like velociraptor eyes from Jurassic Park. So I got them because I thought that this would go great with either if I went with my Jurassic Park theme or the Scary Fear theme. They would be creepy little eyes to have on the tires. It's pretty neat. I got them in black. I think they come in silver and some other color you can choose from, but the black was cool. So yeah, got my little Jurassic Park baby velociraptor here. And you can see why I think that they kind of look like a raptor eye. The only problem that I've had with these things is that they have faded away in the harsh Florida sun that we have here. They've turned into this nasty copper color. What the hell is with all these bugs on my Jeep? It's cold out here today. I don't know if you can see these bugs. I'm having a hard time seeing with the reflection. Yep, there's bugs all over my car. They're little bugs too. They're not that big. Here's the raptor eye valve cap, but you can see how it's turned into this copper color. It's faded from the nice black that it was, unfortunately. On this side, because it only gets the sun in the morning, it's still kind of black. So yeah, I think they're pretty cool. I love these things. I'm just gonna have to paint them and that should solve the problem, and they should stay black once I get some high quality paint on these.